Hi there, Chris Fox here with the VHA, and we're back up here at the York-Durham Heritage Railway, getting ready to scrap this car, 3232, and that heavyweight over there is being scrapped as well. And like I was saying before, these trucks are going under our baggage car, and as we speak right now, the baggage car is being unloaded with all kinds of junk that was in it, so it's going right into a dumpster. And what we're doing here is I'm going to save the air compressor, I'm going to save the condenser. I've already taken off a bunch of other stuff under the car, which is right here, and there's going to be more of that being taken off. So inverters, and we got the diaphragm. There's only one diaphragm because somebody took the other diaphragm, so we're gonna, don't think we'll take the couplers, we already have them from O&R, and but other parts we're gonna take. So yeah, just follow along. So as you can see, the engines are still here and they are not running. We did move the tie crane and the speeder, the A1, out of the way, so it's fine. And then as you can see, there's the boys in the baggage car, and we've got the baggage car cleaned out, and we are gonna move it shortly. We're just building the air, and we are going to be moving it down here since they've cleared everything out of the way and couple it to our CBL.
Alright, whenever you guys are ready.
What do you think?
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah.
It's not too bad. We've got so far good brakes. The car, brake cylinder is at where it needs to be. So looking good so far.
So here we are in the baggage car, and these are the center pins. Split pin, just like if you see my other videos, you'll know what a split pin, how it works here. Evanston has them. That's the keeper. It's one side, that's the other side. And down in here is where the hole is. That goes right down into the truck frame. And that ledge that's down there right before the small hole, that's where the pin's right on, and that's what keeps the truck attached to the car. So you can see we got all seats, air tanks, diaphragm is right there. We got a door. Diaphragm, that's a story and a half. To get that in here, that was fun. So we came in from the side door over there, and we had put on the machine and we set it in, and then we backed the machine out, and 4 of us got in here, and Brian took most of the weight and we carried it and put it there. So yeah, that's
Transylvanian ox.
yeah, that's what oh my god. So we got the steps and we got the traps, we got the D22 system, we got the handbrake, the air compressors. Those are the shock springs for the diaphragm, believe it or not. They go through the frame. That's those square holes in the end of the car. I got the condenser, and there's the other pin on this end, and D22 pipe bracket, and the inverters. And we saved some tables from all the junk that was in here. So we've done pretty good. Those boxes are all the air hoses for all the new COTS that we're going to have on both these cars. And yeah, so we're working away here. Let's carry on. I want to get out of here. 4 days is a long time, man.
No kidding.
Okay, so as you can see, it kind of looks weird. Stuff that you don't normally see. So like we said, we got the diaphragm off. We have the spring arresters, like shock absorbers, they're out for the diaphragm. We have the carrier assembly, goes underneath here. We have it out. And then we have taken the, you can see in there, we've taken the bottom plate out, and that big solid block that's resting on the truck frame is the draft gear. And then that big nut, and there's a pin underneath here that holds the drawbar in place. So that and that block is what takes all the brunt of the force of the train moving forward or backwards or whichever way it's going. So to get this out, we're going to have to wait until we lift the car with the crane. And once it lifts, it'll release, because that there is what you're looking down, that tunnel right there, that's the center sill. So it pulls on the center sill, so you get a direct set pull on the car. Anyway, we have to lift the car, and so we're gonna crane this, obviously. So when we lift it up and crane it, then these will fall out, as well as the trucks stay where they are, so everything is good. The steam stuff we're obviously leaving because we don't need it, but yeah, that's what we're doing. And the carrier assembly looks like this. So this is the carrier assembly, and it actually sits, this is the bottom, the coupler sits in here, and it's hung on the car. So those pins there are hung in the car. We drove the pins out. So if anything, it sits like this in the car. But yeah, so that's kind of what we're doing right now. Almost finished up. So we get all this done here, we'll be done for the day. I'll show you a couple of more things that we've tackled out here as well. Okay, what do you think today?
How's it going, guys? So we're back. This is day 4 now, working on stripping the 3232. Did a good haul so far the last couple of days. We've got a lot of the major components we need. We're just wrapping up some of the more minute stuff. I'm going to pull off the buffer plate along with the tension torsion bars for the diaphragm, a couple of seats, and we're also going to attempt grabbing the carrier assembly for the coupler, as well as the coupler and yoke assembly.
Yeah, we already got the other one on the other end. I'll go around there and show them how we've got that. But we're gonna have to crane when the car gets craned. Then we get the draft gear and the drawbar as well.
Yep, that's correct.
So yeah, move the car down here, give us a bit of space, and then we just pulled it away from the heavyweight. So we're gonna do that. We're into it on this end, and so we did not get the car craned due to the fact that it took RERA 3 days to start the locomotive. So we will come back and crane in a couple of weeks. Here are some still shots of the area, and we were visited by some of the old YDHR members. Thanks for taking the time to come by, fellas, and have a look. It was great to see you. Also, thanks to Charlie and David from the Guelph Historical Railway Association for their help with the equipment. They got parts and stuff off 3232, which they can use on their car, which was vandalized by vagrants a little while ago. So I'm glad we could help you guys out. Thanks for watching, and we'll be doing the lift real soon.